In just 10 minutes, you can cook this amazing pad thai. It's quick, easy, and totally irresistible. Ideal for busy days when you want something tasty. So now let's go with the recipe. First, cut the red pepper in slices. Then grate your carrot. And continue cutting the broccoli. Cook the pepper, broccoli, and spring onions previously coated with olive oil and add 1 hand of spinach. For the sauce, just mix the ingredients they leave in the description. Now combine the noodles, veggies, scrambled eggs, and sauce. Mix, mix, and mix. Serve immediately with some extra spring onions and peanuts. Honestly, since I tried this pad thai, I can't stop eating it. It's super light and you can add tofu, tempeh, or your favorite protein. Buenazo!